Hey everyone, Andy and Trey here for Two Gay Expats. If it's your first time to Puerto Vallarta, we've got all the travel tips you need to know.
From where to stay, what to avoid, and how to find the best gay beach chairs and cocktails, to where to get waxed, worked out, and maybe even a little wild, this guide's for you.
Puerto Vallarta is the ultimate gay beach destination in Mexico, and the romantic zone, or Zona Romantica, is the heart of it all. Cobblestone streets, rainbow flags, and a mix of boutique hotels, beach clubs, and fabulous restaurants make it feel like your own little gay village tucked between the jungle and the sea.
You'll see local families, straight couples, digital nomads, and LGBTQ travelers all blending together. But if you're here for the gay scene, you'll want to stick close to Lázaro Cárdenas, the main drag where most of the gay bars, clubs, and nightlife are located.
Now, let's talk about where to stay. Do you want to be beachfront like at Almar Resort, town-centered at the brand new gay-owned Trist Hotel, or up the hill with jaw-dropping views at Casa Cupola, a gay, clothing-optional boutique hotel with its own pool parties?
We love all three for different reasons. Check out our hotel tours of each linked in the Watch Next section of the description below.
For longer stays, and if your budget allows, Casa Cupola offers suites with full kitchens, laundry, and even plunge pools. On that note, if you decide to go the Airbnb route, read all of the reviews. Some buildings are not so short-term renter friendly. Reviews might mention no visitors, no pets, or even security staff watching you like a hawk. So if you want to avoid that vibe, go with a trusted hotel, or just read the fine print carefully.
Now, let's hit the beach. Playa Los Muertos is PV's main gay beach, and you'll find two main vibes here. There's Mantamar Beach Club, known for its all-day pool parties and splashy events, and the more chill, affordable Green Chairs in front of Ritmos Beach Cafe.
We usually hang at Green Chairs. No minimum spend, just strong drinks, great guac, and lots of eye candy. It's laid back and filled with regulars, locals, and travelers alike.
While you're there, expect beach vendors to pass by with everything from jewelry to massages. If you're not interested, a simple no gracias, buen dia, no thank you, have a good day usually works like a charm. The buen dia helps move them along politely.
And while we're on the topic, remember to greet locals with a friendly hola, buenas tardes, good afternoon. A little courtesy goes a long way in Mexico.
Oh, and tipping? It's customary to tip at least 10 to 15% at restaurants in Mexico. If you receive exceptional service, go ahead and tip 20%. It's always appreciated and makes a big difference to the staff.
For more on where to eat, drink, and party in Puerto Vallarta, check out our other videos in this series. We've linked them to the Watch Next section below. From the best bars for solo travelers to brand new hotspots, we've got you covered.
And yes, we even take you to Spartacus, PV's most iconic men's spa. For the full scoop, including behind the scenes photos, videos, and the best night to go, head over to our Patreon. Links below in the description.
Next up, let's cover when to visit and how to get here. Puerto Vallarta is a gay paradise year-round, but the high season runs from December to April, when the weather is warm, sunny, and comfortably dry, with temps in the 80s.
Pride in late May is another fantastic time to visit, with parades, parties, and events across the city. But heads up, June through October is rainy season, and things slow down quite a bit. But this is when you'll find the best hotel deals.
As for getting here, PV is super accessible, with direct flights from the US, Canada, and most major Mexican cities. Once you land, taxis are easy to find just outside the terminal.
Or if you prefer Uber, just walk over the pedestrian bridge across the highway. You'll find a designated pickup spot by the restaurant across the street.
Traveling with your pet? Good news, PVR has a pet relief area just to the left of the main entrance, making it simple and easy.
One last note, the airport is very busy and bursting at the seams, but a brand new terminal is on the way, which should help big time.
Now, let's talk money. Always pay in pesos, not US dollars, and decline the ATM conversion offer when withdrawing cash. It's a scam. The ATM will try to offer a guaranteed exchange rate, but it's usually 10 to 15% worse than what your bank gives you. Hit decline conversion every time and make sure any card payments are charged in pesos, not US dollars.
If you're looking for local services, we get our haircuts at Barber and Booze. It's fun, professional, and you can have a cocktail while you wait. They even offer beard grooming and hangover rescue treatments.
For men's waxing, mani-pedis, and all your grooming needs, we go to Waxing for Men. It's clean, affordable, and Gabriel is the best in Mexico. Super friendly, too.
Need wine or liquor? Check out Vinos Americanos across from Studs Bar. Great selection, great prices, and they even carry champagne if you're celebrating something special.
And for sunscreen, bug spray, or meds, you'll find plenty of pharmacias and OXXO convenience stores around. OXXO is like your local everything store. You can even pay bills there if you live in Mexico.
For our transportation tips, buses are cheap and easy, just 10 pesos or about 50 cents. To catch them in the romantic zone, look for signs on the windshield like Walmart or Costco. Great for stocking up if your place has a kitchen. Also, pro tip for Uber, choose the slightly more expensive Uber Comfort if you want to ask for AC.
Next, let's review a few health and safety tips. Puerto Vallarta is generally very safe, especially in the romantic zone. But like any party town, watch your belongings, especially after a few of those strong, free pour cocktails. Stick to beer if you need to pace yourself. It's cheaper and way easier to keep track.
And definitely get travel insurance for peace of mind. U.S. health insurance won't cover you here. We use Safety Wing. It's affordable and a lifesaver if you fall on those infamous cobblestones. To learn more, we'll add a link in the description.
Also, we're often asked about the water and ice, which are generally safe at resorts and restaurants, but we often order sparkling water for preference when eating. We do use bottled water when brushing our teeth, though, or filling up for beach days.
If you're looking to save a few pesos, ask for Agua de la Casa. This is house water, and it's totally safe. It comes from the big blue jugs, not the tap. It's a great way to avoid the pricey bottled water in PV.
Speaking of health, if you're looking for a gym to keep up your fitness routine, we go where the locals go, which is Big Apple. Heads up, there's no AC, but giant fans will keep you pretty cool, and they have reasonable weekly rates. Alternatively, if you must have AC, the Fit Club is for you.
For what to pack, we recommend Nike Dry Fit or something similar, especially if you come from May through October when it's the rainy season and very humid. You can easily rinse them in the shower and they'll dry in no time. It's pretty much all we wear in Mexico. And of course, don't forget a hat and plenty of sunscreen.
Lastly, if you travel with your dog like us, make sure your hotel or Airbnb allows pets. Some buildings only allow pets for owners, not renters.
And for travel paperwork, vet visits, or even emergency care, Pet Friends near the Pinnacle buildings is our go-to. They even carry the dog food we started our rescue pup Patty on back in the US.
Well, that's a wrap on our First Timer's Guide to PV. If you've been before and have some helpful tips, we'd love to hear from you down in the comments.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego!